Hi friends, it's Miss Michelle again. I have a song today about slow and fast. Are you ready? Clap, clap, clap your hands as slowly as you can. Clap, clap, clap your hands as quickly as you can. Pound, pound, pound your fists as slowly as you can. Pound, pound, pound your fists as quickly as you can. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers as slowly as you can. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers as quickly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your hands as slowly as you can. Shake, shake, shake your hands as quickly as you can. Yay, friends, that was fun. This is my little boy, Justin. Poke, poke. Bye, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.